This is BIM, it's the Britain and Ireland Marketplace. It's an event where over 130 tour operators get to meet with about 160 suppliers according to preset appointments. We think this is a remarkably effective and efficient way for tour operators to meet new people and obtain new ideas, and for suppliers to make new contacts.
We're delighted to be over at BIM for 2019. We've been here over the last few years. It's a really productive event.
It's been a great event today. I've actually had some very productive meetings. Some meetings with some partners of ours who we already work with. We've also met with a couple of new people who we've managed to negotiate lower rates on today than we would have got by email.
I've had a very interesting day. I met some really interesting people, some people from backgrounds and from companies I'm not normally used to dealing with. So in that respect, it's always interesting to come to the ETOA events.
It was a busy day, but it was a productive day. I got the chance to learn about the product in the UK and Ireland, and we're looking forward to selling it.
It's being able to see everybody under one roof, the convenience of getting to meet with your key partners. That's very beneficial for us because we're all so busy in our daytime jobs.
It's almost doing like a year's worth of work in a day. And the fact that people have travelled from all over the UK and Ireland to be here means it's really worth getting that work done.
Although people move around, often you see the same faces, so it's always a really nice opportunity to catch up with people, whether that's buyer or supplier, but the general feeling of people enjoying getting together and actually talking about what's new in their business and what they can offer each other is always valuable.
It's always much better to meet someone face to face, get a better understanding of their needs, how their business operates, and see if we can help them with their travel needs.
The contacts that you make here face to face are really valuable.
It's been a very productive day and actually makes me very, very happy to be an ETOA member and to be able to benefit from these workshops.
We will be back for sure.